Hello friends, let us see another get previous year questions. It's the sixth one. It is like a theory question type, right? So first, read the given data. Consider the following statements. Rankin's theory and Coulomb's theory gives same value of coefficient of active and passive earth pressures. Array. Have we discussed anything about the Coulomb's theory? Yeah, we have discussed what we have discussed. We have seen the assumptions, isn't it? But have we ever seen what about the Ka value and what about the Kp value? In Rankin's theory, we have seen what is the Ka value and also what is the Kp value. But we haven't seen anything for Coulomb's. Then how can I say it? Or how can I pick the correct answer? Such that if I use both the theorems, I will get the same K and Kp values. So for this, no need to remember the values. You have to understand the assumptions. So first let us assume whatever the assumptions of the Rankins, if that is matching with the Coulomb's, then also will get the same answer. So only the thing is that your Coulomb's assumptions should also matches with the Rankins. Then only you can end up with the same results. So what is the first one given? The retaining wall has vertical back. Okay, that is what the Rankins theory. Okay, first one is Rankins theory. The backfill is cohesionless, isn't it? According to Rankins theory also that is okay. The angle of slope of backfill is equal to the internal friction. Are we talking about any slope of backfill? According to Rankins, the backfill should be horizontal. It should not have any slope. That's why third one should not be there. Fourth one, angle of slope of backfill is 0 degrees, isn't it? That means 0 degrees means nothing but the backfill is horizontal. So that is what the assumption of Rankins. Okay. And what about the fifth one? Angle of wall friction is 0 degrees, isn't it? Rankin is considered that your vertical wall is smooth. How to define vertical wall is smooth? By delta is equal to 0. So the imply fifth is also matched. Then what about the sixth one? Angle of friction delta is equal to 5. We are saying that vertical wall is smooth. Then how can you say these two are equal? That means according to Rankins, this is not. So if your Coulomb's is also having the same assumptions as the Rankins, then we can have the same at the pressure constant. Either it may be active or passive. That's why how many are satisfying out of these 6? 1, 2, 4, 5. Any option? Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5. So Rankin's assumptions are satisfying only 1, 2, 4, 5. So what is the correct answer? B. So wherever you are getting these type of questions, just recall the assumptions. Corresponding to that, you can pick the correct answer. Okay. Don't get confused. Okay, we don't know Coulomb's theory. Then how can I pick the correct answer? Don't get panic. Just apply simple logic. We can end up with the correct answer with the simple logic. Okay. Thank you.